Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm giving you 5 ridiculously easy steps to plan a paleo diet, or Paleolithic diet. Let's get started.
Planning ahead. The hardest thing about sticking to the paleo diet can be the unexpected times when you need a quick meal. Make sure that you plan your meals ahead of time so that you don't find yourself caught without something to eat that fits the plan. A weekly or even monthly meal calendar can help you to stay on track. Instead of wondering what you're going to eat each day, you'll already have it mapped out. This makes it much easier to stick to the program. Planning ahead also helps you to save money. You can look ahead at what's in season, what's on sale, and you can create multiple recipes around similar ingredients to make them stretch. Planning ahead also allows you to cook and freeze food ahead of time. If you work full-time, it can be hard to find time to prepare meals each day. You can cook for a week or even for an entire month ahead of time and then freeze the foods. This way, when you get home, all you have to do is reheat your meal rather than having to start from scratch. This takes a lot of planning and preparation, but the results are worth it in the long run. Keep food with you. When you're out and about, it's a good idea to keep snacks with you. We'll discuss some of the best snacks to keep on hand a little later. You'll also find that this is a good time to start packing your lunch instead of relying on eating out. One of the toughest situations for the paleo diet is when eating in a restaurant. If you do have to eat out because of travel or other circumstances, try to plan ahead to get a copy of the menu. If you decide what to order before you go, it makes it easier to avoid going off the plan. Stick with it. The challenges you face early on with this diet will begin to fade the longer you stick to the plan. You'll learn how to stretch $1. You'll get faster at meal preparation, and you'll be able to prepare for changes in your schedule. You'll also start to see and feel the benefits of weight loss and better health. The more you experience these benefits, the easier it will be to keep going.
Hello again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new videos. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.